2024, a whole new chapter, y'all. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Trust Trucker channel, y'all. I am Tony, aka the Tourette's Trucker. Y'all, before we get started, y'all make sure y'all hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you are already subscribed, appreciate you coming back by. All right, y'all. Topic of this video is we're gonna try to make this short, not so long and drug out. Okay? I've been sick all last week. 2024 is a whole new year, and it's going to bring new changes to Tourette's Trucking. Tourette's Trucking is trying to expand. We kind of hit a dead zone where we can't expand, so Tourette's Trucking is making a shift to where we can expand our company. That will be taking place on the 15th. I am going to try to put some of the older videos. I still got some older videos I need to put out, and I'm going to hopefully try to at least get one or two of those this week to come out. If not, I apologize, y'all. I still feel sick. I was sick all last week. So I started my new year out sick. I woke up New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. I was actually started to get sick before New Year's, after Christmas, but then it really got bad when I woke up on New Year's Day. Then sick all last week. Been to the doctor, got lots of antibiotics. I'm on stuff, still got it in my chest. It's not as bad. At least I have a better voice right now anyway than what I had even 2 days ago. Even Saturday morning my voice was still, but it's a little better now. But we are making a change, y'all. Tourette's Trucking is trying to grow, and we were kind of shut down growing where we were at, so we have decided to make a shift to where we can grow Tourette's Trucking. So y'all stay tuned. The videos will be coming. But like I say, hey, in trucking, you got to make moves. Do I like moving? No, I do not. Do I like change? I absolutely cannot stand change. But when you're being starved out and several people have told you it was on purpose, you've got to make a move to feed your family and to grow your business. So, and that was kind of evident on things that we were seeing. It wasn't fair on some of the things that we were seeing, so we have to make a move to grow our business. So that's what we're doing now. We're making that move. We're going to grow our business. That's our goal for 2024, is to get this thing back to where I wanted it at. Get all my trucks running again, or running. I want the trucks, all my trucks running. Plus, I want another one. My goal is to have all three of my trucks running this year, plus possibly have another one. And also looking at buying trailers. That's a possibility for later on this year. So, hey, I'll try to give you a little update video later on at the end of this week, if not Monday or Tuesday. Try to give you a little update video on what the actual move is. I'm not going to post that yet. But, like I say, this is just a short video saying Tourette's Trucking is making a change for 2024. It's going to start out a whole new year. Was it planned? No. This was not planned. It wasn't. I never, to be honest, even checked into it until maybe 2 weeks ago. Maybe 2 weeks ago was when I actually decided, okay, we need to make a move. So we are making a move on this, y'all. Got confirmation today. Yep, let's go ahead and make a move. So I am. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this short video. Please, y'all, leave comments, hit the like buttons, hit the subscribe button if you're not already. It helps us grow the channel. I'm going to be getting back into the trucking videos, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to try to put another one out this week with some of my past videos, because I still got some cruise ship video, and I think another one or a couple more I need to try to put out, so I'm going to try to get those out. Anyway, we hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one, y'all. Peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.